Hi, my name is Paige Cyber, and I am going to show you how to rearrange topics and assignments, materials, resources within topics on your classwork page of your Google Classroom. So you will start out by going to your Google Classroom stream site, and from there you're going to go to the middle up here at the top and click on Classwork. That will take you to your classwork that you have created, which may have topics and then the assignments or materials listed within. I am going to rearrange my topics. Maybe my first unit was actually linear equations, so I want that listed first. You will go to the upper right-hand side next to the topic and click on the stacked three dots. You'll click there, and then you will decide if you want to move that topic up or if you want to move it down. For the sake of this video, I want to move it up. I think when I do this with my classroom this coming school year, I'll probably name my topics also based on the unit. So this might say Unit 1, Linear Equations. From there, you can also rearrange any assignments, quizzes, materials, resources that you've posted within a topic. So I want the very first thing that I assigned my students to do to be listed first within that topic. So again, you'll kind of highlight over that assignment and you'll go to the right side where it has those three dots stacked. You'll click on it and then you'll click if you want to move it up or if you'd like to move it down. I want to move it up. And then I'm also going to move parallel and perpendicular lines worksheet up just so that follows my introduction, because that's what my students will be doing second. From there, you can now see that I have the introduction to parallel lines listed first and then the worksheet, and then I'm going to move the reflection up. Just so my students know kind of this is the order in which it was assigned and when it is due. So that is how you can rearrange the topics that you have made within your Google Classroom, as well as the assignments, materials, resources that you have posted within a topic. I hope this helps. Thanks.